Oh, they're putting pennies on the track. Wednesday morning, it's about 8:10. We've been here for about an hour, I suppose. Echo Canyon, waiting for Big Boy to come. The train will come from this direction, up through the canyon, double-headed, Big Boy and 844. Linda's been really good. Up very early this morning. We were up at ultimate 5:15, and she is. She's got a good view from the car there. If it's raining, it's been hammering down the rain, but it's stopped now. So hopefully Lynn can get out as well and have a look. So fingers crossed, no rain and no mile-long train to block our view. Here's a test. Train coming down. Hi baby.
Yeah.
Linda, we had a great time this morning.
Oh,
we sat here since God knows what, early hours. But we saw the big boy.
Knows what time I got up as well.
She did do well. So we're off now to maybe see the Loco again and then end up in Salt Lake City this afternoon.
Right.